You can tell we're in Williamsburg. Some beautiful buildings at this resort. All kinds of scenery. Lots of things to do. Taking care of it with drain punch. Happy plumbing, y'all. I'm just leaving a meeting in that green building right there with the facilities director of one of the largest resorts in Williamsburg, and they've seen the drain punch solve their condensate line issues, their ice machine drain issues, all kinds of things that were causing them tons of grief, not only drains and sinks and tubs, but this condensate line issue that drain punch knocks out with no smell, does a great job, cleans the pipes thoroughly, has made a huge difference at this resort. If you have any issues like this on your property or something you're taking care of, give me a call. Thanks.